Hi kids, let's learn the names of 25 amazing birds. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a sparrow.
Yay! Sparrows are tiny brown birds that love to hop and sing. They are often seen near gardens, houses and tall trees.
This is a crow.
Yay! Crows are smart black birds with shiny feathers. They solve simple problems and remember places very well.
This is a pigeon.
Yay! Pigeons are gentle grey birds with soft feathers. They often live in cities and can find their way home.
This is a parrot.
Yay! Parrots have bright colorful feathers and curved beak. They enjoy copying sounds and learning simple words.
This is a peacock.
Yay! Peacocks have beautiful blue feathers and long colorful tails. They spread their feathers to make a stunning display.
This is an eagle.
Yay! Eagles are strong birds with sharp eyes and wide wings. They soar high above mountains looking for food.
This is an owl.
Yay! Owls have big round eyes and soft feathers. They stay awake at night and hunt quietly in darkness.
This is a hummingbird.
Yay! Hummingbirds are tiny birds with colorful feathers. They flap their wings quickly and hover over flowers.
This is a goose.
Yay! Geese have long necks and loud voices. They travel together in groups across lakes and fields.
This is a duck.
Yay! Ducks have flat beaks and webbed feet. They love swimming, waddling, and making funny quacking sounds.
This is a flamingo.
Yay! Flamingos are tall pink birds with long legs. They often stand on one leg beside lakes.
This is a swan.
Yay! Swans have graceful necks and bright white feathers. They glide smoothly across rivers and quiet lakes.
This is a woodpecker.
Yay! Woodpeckers have strong beaks for picking trees. They find insects hiding inside the bark.
This is a robin.
Yay! Robins are small birds with bright red chests. They sing sweet songs in parks and gardens.
This is a kingfisher.
Yay! Kingfishers have bright blue feathers and long beaks. They dive quickly into water to catch fish.
This is an ostrich.
Yay! Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world. They cannot fly but run very fast.
This is a macaw.
Yay! Macaws are large parrots with colorful feathers. They are playful birds with loud and cheerful voices.
This is a dove.
Yay! Doves are gentle birds with soft white feathers. They are known around the world as symbols of peace.
This is a vulture.
Yay! Vultures have large wings and excellent eyesight. They help keep nature clean by eating dead animals.
This is a hawk.
Hawks are fast birds with sharp claws and beaks. They catch small animals while flying high.
This is a toucan.
Toucans have huge colorful beaks and shiny feathers. They enjoy eating fruit in tropical rainforest.
This is a seagull.
Seagulls are white birds that live near the sea. They fly above beach searching for fish.
This is a falcon.
Falcons are one of the fastest birds in flight. They dive quickly to catch their food.
This is a canary.
Canaries are small yellow birds with lovely songs. Many people keep them as cheerful pets.
This is a puffin.
Puffins have colorful beaks and short wings. They swim underwater to catch small fish.
Great job, little learners. Today we learned 25 amazing birds' names in English. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.